to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So as you can see, I have my bonnet on. I wanted to do something a little bit different as far as my wig reviews. So today's wig comes from a company called Donmily. I believe it's called Donmily. I think I'm saying that right. They reached out to me. They sent me their Afro Kinky curly synthetic wig. The 16-inch. It is synthetic. It's a lace front machine made wig. It has adjustable straps that you can hook on right here. And it also came with a wig cap, which I took the wig cap out and I used it. But it's not the wig cap that I'll be using today for the video. So the wig cap that I'm using today is this dark brown one. I prefer these ones over all the wig caps that they use, but this is not the one they gave me. This is the one that they gave me. This is more towards my skin complexion, so this is the one that I'm going to use. Yeah, so this is the wig. It is 16 inch. Yes, it is a 16 inch. I got it in a 1B. Let's take it out the pack. All right, this is my first time even looking at the wig, and I've had the wig in my possession for like a while. This is actually not a 16 inch. What inch is this?
That's not the burger.
I don't know what inch this is, but it's definitely not a 16 inch. This is probably like a 12 inch or something. This is the so this is the unit right here. It's giving me Jerry curl vibes, not kinky. What kind of kinky? I don't know. So let's get to the construction. This is the inside of it. We have two combs right here. We have a longer comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps on it as well. Construction is very, very nice. The only thing I don't like is that this lace is soft, but it's kind of hard. But I mean, that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, this is the texture. So with these, you can kind of like play with it, so then you could make it bigger or whatever. So let's go ahead and put this baby on and see what we get. You know what, I'm just gonna put it on my head and cut it. I'm just gonna put it on my head and then just cut it off. I'm just gonna put the adjustable straps, hook them just like the standard hook them on. You know, I'm not gonna use the one that they brought with. I might just use that on a different wig, but okay. So oh yeah, it's really snug. Oh, this is snug. Let me grab my hair clips because yeah. I'm just gonna clip that back so then when I cut this lace it'll be easier to cut. So there you go. I like to leave just like a little bit of lace sometimes, just so I can be able like to blend it in my scalp. Ignore my son. He learned how to gargle his food or his drink, so now he does it like all the time. This is alright. You want another one? Stay over there. Don't come on this camera. Ooh, I think I cut some of the wig. It's fine though. It's not a big deal. Okay, so we got it cut. Let me scoot this back a little bit. So we got it cut. I'm just gonna place it on my head. Okay, so now I just gotta find the part. There it goes. So it is a side part. I didn't know if it was a middle part or a side part, but it is a side part. Okay, let's get this together. All right, so I'm going to cut it a little bit just so it could frame my face better. So we're just gonna go and just cut a few pieces in there just so it frames a little better. like that. I'm just gonna cut just some pieces, just to, like I said, just so it can frame my face better. It's nothing too difficult. Okay, and there goes the part right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take it off of my head and put a little bit of concealer in the part as well, and then I will be back. I think I'm actually going to do is I did put a little bit of powder into the part. The parting is kind of weird on here. I don't know, maybe I'm just like not, it's just not like straight. Like it's like, this is how it's curved. It's curved very weird. I don't know, that's like kind of weird. But I'm gonna go in, I did take some of my hair out my edges, and I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel, and then I'm just gonna swoop a little couple baby hairs, and that be that.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Nothing like too extravagant, just something, just to, you know, make it look like a little something, just so it's not like, you know. So let's get into all the details on this wig outside of what I've already told you guys and my thoughts and feelings on this one. So it is on Amazon for $35.99. That's less than $40. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you get it in 2 days, because Amazon is back to what it's supposed to be as far as the delivering stuff on time. So that makes it all around pretty good. This is definitely a go on and go about your day type of wig. Super kinky, curly, jerry curl feel kind of giving me. That's how I feel about it. So the more you play with it, the more you fluff it out, the bigger that it will get, of course. So keep that in mind. So try not to play with it as much if you don't want it to be like super big. So this size that I have it right now is pretty ideal for me. What I don't like about it is that there's like, the knots are so heavy on it that even the powder, you know, it still doesn't do what it's supposed to do. I don't like the way the part is, but it's okay. It is still cute and I still like it. Yeah, you can still definitely wear this in the fall with a nice cute scarf and a jean jacket and some boots and some leggings, some Uggs, whatever, you know, whatever your fall vibe is, you can definitely wear this wig and wear this unit with it. It's about, because I don't know why, but it says that it's 16 inches, and I don't think that this is 16 inches. Maybe it's 16 inches stretched, but this is giving me, like, if we were going by the inch of it with the curl, this is giving me 12 inch vibes. This is giving me 12 inch vibes. I'm not going with no 16 inch, because 4 inches is a big difference. So we're not going to say that it's 16 inches. I believe this is 12 inch, but I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check. Line, it says that the $35.99 is for the 16 inch. So yeah, it's pretty alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unit. This was a quick, easy unit. I have not experienced any tangling, but just know that with these curly units, they're going to get tangled. They're going to do a wear and tear pretty fast because they are synthetic, so they're not going to last like the longest amount of time ever. So keep that in mind. And also shedding, I have not experienced. The only shedding I'm really experiencing is from when I cut the hair. So other than that, I haven't experienced any dramatic shedding. Let me cut this piece because this is going to drive me freaking crazy. Oops. This is going to drive me crazy. Can I get it down? So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig unit. It was a quick, easy, super to the point hairstyle. I would definitely recommend adding a little bit of baby hairs to it. So that's all I have to say about this unit. My name is Chastity. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video 2 thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.